All right, I have the good part of my job right now is to give out some gifts, so I'll do that first of all. Thank you very much. Okay, I'd like to thank our panelists for their work today, and I'd like to thank our pitchers. I heard great questions. A few of those I actually haven't heard before, but they are the kind of questions we hear at PEO quite regularly. I'm glad to hear them in a public forum. I'd like to continue to hear them in public forums. We didn't get answers or discussion on all of them, and I think all of them are really important questions that have to be considered by PEO, by the profession as a whole, actually, all the members of the profession and our stakeholders and the public at large. With that, I'd like to say that today wouldn't run as smoothly without two really important people, and that's Ken Klopp and Desmond Gomez. Ken, you met as the MC. Desmond is the person here who whacks these people with his paddle to keep them in line, or at least to show them how much time they have left, and I have gifts for them. And I'd also like to make a really great personal thank you to Catherine Shearer-Cadell and Josie Rubino. Without them, this event and all the other events of the Ontario Centre for Engineering and Public Policy could not happen. They are two people who do a tremendous amount of work and just phenomenal that these things get done, and I really thank you a lot for your the work that you do. So please. And I left my remarks down there, so I forgot what else I'm supposed to do. Oh yeah, I should also thank the members of the OCEPP Advisory Board. A few of them were here today. Gary Thompson, Brian Surgener, Ken Klopp, and Bill DeAngelis. Three other members couldn't make it today. That's Marie Carter from Engineers Canada, Charles C. Cyril, who's our EIT rep, engineer and training rep, and Bob McDonald, who's our private media rep, Bob McDonald from CBC Radio. The advisory board does a tremendous amount of work planning what OCEPP is going to do, giving us ideas about the kind of things that OCEPP should be involved with, and I thank them very much for their assistance. And with that, I'd like to basically repeat what Brian just mentioned. A lot came out today. There were a lot of good ideas, a lot of good discussion. There's a lot more talk to be had on all these topics. I do hope that you either attend some of our seminars, talk to us at OCEPP and provide us with your input and ideas, present papers to us for publication in our Journal of Policy Engagement. Just work through OCEPP at raising these issues, making people aware of the questions you have, the opinions you have on these issues, the kind of ideas that they generate, these questions generate for you, and that we can keep these dialogues going and bring them to the attention of all our other stakeholders, to government, to other people, and create the kind of discussions and dialogue and engagement that is necessary to deal with these issues. So at that end, finally, I'd like to thank all of you for your participation today. This was a fabulous conference. The speakers, the presenters, and the people who raised questions, but just your interest in OCEPP and the things that we are involved in is really gratifying, and I hope to see you all at future events. And with that,
is there a video created from today? What's happened with that?
I believe that the video will be on the OCEPP website. All our past conferences are on the OCEPP website. You can go there and watch a whole day's worth of discussion. Also, the presentations, the PDFs of the presentations will be on the website, so that if you had something that you wanted to check up on, something that came up during the day and you didn't really remember what was said or what showed up on a slide, you can always go to our website and find out about it. And with that, I turn it over to you for your continuing conversations. Thank you very much.